Today, we're going hands-on with one of the most fascinating new releases in independent watchmaking. The very first watch from self-taught watchmaker Alex Goetschi, the Manteio Zeus. A watch inspired by Greek mythology, sculpted in steel, gold, and story, and limited to just 12 pieces. Let's take a closer look. Manteio, meaning oracle in Greek, is the creation of Alex Goetschi, a mechanical engineer, watch lover, and storyteller at heart. Inspired by Stephen Fry's mythos, Alex set out to build a watch that captured the divine spirit of Zeus, king of the gods, and he did it by weaving mythology into every detail of this timepiece. The result is bold, symbolic, and filled with hidden meaning. The Manteio Zeus starts with a 39mm stainless steel case, just 9.7 millimeters thick. But what makes it special is the architecture. The lugs are shaped like the pediment of an ancient Greek temple, a nod to Zeus's divine throne. And the finishing is surprisingly elaborate for a debut piece. You'll see brushed surfaces, polished facets, and even hand-beveled edges that accentuate the sharp, dramatic lines of the case. The crown is hand-engraved with Manteio's logo, designed to resemble Aetos, the temples where oracles were worshipped. Front and back, sapphire crystals set the stage for what's next. This dial is where the magic happens. It starts with a solid gold plate, then hand-engraved by a specialist craftsman. At the center, a forked lightning bolt crashes down, the weapon of Zeus himself. And just beside it, the golden eagle Aetos Dios, carved with more than 200 individually engraved feathers. The engraved storm texture gives depth and movement, while the outer ring features circular brushing and 12 polished solid gold droplet markers falling toward the center like rain from Olympus. And because each engraving is done entirely by hand, no two dials will ever be alike. Inside, the Manteio Zeus is powered by the MYTH001, a movement created with Jean-François Mojon of Chronode. It runs at 21,600 vibrations per hour and delivers a massive 168-hour power reserve thanks to its twin barrels. A 3/4 plate and the escapement cock are coated in 2N gold and finished with a frosted E-core blasting technique. Look closer, and you'll find more mythology. Barrel wheels with a hexagonal beehive pattern, a tiny engraved bee honoring Melissa, the nymph who nurtured Zeus, hand-engraved details, polished bevels, perlage, satinage, and black polished steel. In person, the movement feels alive, rich in symbolism, and beautifully executed. For his very first watch, Alex Goetschi hasn't just built a timepiece, he's built a mythology in miniature. Between the dramatic case design, the storytelling on the dial, and the beautifully finished movement, the Manteio Zeus feels like something truly personal and genuinely special. Only 12 pieces will be made, each presented on a handcrafted Doric-style stone column and fitted with the gray goat leather strap. Price? 29,800 Swiss francs before taxes. A watch inspired by Zeus, created by a self-taught watchmaker, and destined for only a handful of collectors worldwide. If you enjoyed discovering rare independent makers and their first creations, make sure to like and subscribe. And let me know what you think of the Manteio Zeus in the comments.